says, if the actual price were below the equilibrium market in the market for, sorry, if the actual price were below the equilibrium price in the market for bread, then A, a surplus would develop and would get worse. B, a shortage would develop, market forces would correct the problem. C, a surplus would develop, market forces would correct the problem. Or D, a surplus would develop and market forces would make it work. So there's no binding price floors or price ceilings here. So what we're dealing with is simply a situation like this. We have our demand curve, our supply curve, we have equilibrium price here, and we have an actual price below equilibrium, we're dividing here. So what's going on here? So we have high quantity demanded, and we have low quantity supplied. What do we call that? A situation in which a lot of people want something and only a little bit of it is being supplied. That's what we call a shortage. So A and C are eliminated. A, C, and D are eliminated. All of these answers talk about a surplus, but in fact, we're dealing with a shortage. B is the only answer left. And to clarify the second part, market forces would tend to correct the problem. What we would see here is that in this case, at this price level, because there's no pricing, this is just where the market is, suppliers would see that there's so many people who want this good that some of them would be willing to pay more money than the current price in order to get one of these goods. And so they would start charging a little bit of a higher price. We see the shortage would decrease a little bit more. And then these people, there's still a shortage, so we'll see the supply decrease price again, and then decrease price again until there's no shortage left. And that's where the equilibrium price is reached. And so that's what we mean by market forces are going to tend to correct the problem. Okay, let's take a look at the previous answer. And the previous answer says that the correct answer is B. Market equilibrium observes that if a shortage exists, prices rise in order to entice additional supply and reduce quantity demand until the shortage is eliminated, thus the market itself corrects. Great. Oh, I forgot to say good. That's the correct answer.